Hello students, myself Lokesh Rathore. In the last session we had completed up to question number 6 of exercise 4.4. In this video we'll be starting next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. In last session we had completed till exercise 4.3, sorry. Okay, remaining question of exercise 4.3 we don't need to solve because CBSE has given the revised syllabus, and in this revised syllabus we don't need to solve all the word problems of chapter number 4. Okay, so earlier whatever the word problem we have solved, so you don't need to solve that question. Okay, so remaining question we are not solving. Now we are going to start exercise 4.4. In last exercise I had explained you the mean of discriminant. We have solved one thing, discriminant. Okay, so we know that what is discriminant. Okay, so discriminant is d equals to, it is denoted by d equals to b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant. Okay, and in 4.3 we have seen the quadratic formula. Okay, in quadratic formula we used to write this, instead of d we used to write d square minus 4ac. Okay, now see, in this session we have to find first discriminant, and whatever the value of discriminant, it would be depend on three situations. Okay, and what are the situations? Here we have, okay, so we have three situations. First, uh, two distinct real root would be when if we find the value of b square minus 4ac greater than 0, means when we solve, suppose we have an equation like 3x square plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So first of all, what will we do? We will compare this equation by standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We find the value of abc. So a would be what? 3, b would be 2, and c would be what? 5. Okay, then we put these values in the formula of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay, after putting these values, we'll find the value of d. If we find the value of d greater than 0 means positive value. Suppose I find plus 5. Okay, means 5 would be positive. Okay, so it is greater than 0, then we can say this equation has two distinct real root. अंडरस्टैंड, अगर पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आती है तो हम क्या कहेंगे कि ये जो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट है ये क्या है, इसके टू डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट है. इफ़ वी फाइंड द वैल्यू जीरो, अगर जीरो वैल्यू आ जाती है विच मीन्स बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू जीरो, जीरो वैल्यू अगर आ जाती है देन विल से टू इक्वल रियल रूट. मीन्स इक्वेशन के क्या होंगे, टू इक्वल रियल रूट होंगे. इफ़ वी फाइंड no real root, when if we find less than 0 means when we find negative value, suppose I am getting minus 5. Okay, if we find the negative value then we can say no real root. Clear? So जब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगी उस केस में क्या होगा, टू डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट. ज़ीरो अगर आंसर आएगा तो टू इक्वल रियल रूट, और अगर माइनस में आंसर आएगा तो क्या होगा, नो रियल रूट. ओके, सो on this three depends on these three situations we have to solve the questions of exercise 4.4. Okay, so let us start exercise 4.4. Okay, so very first question, please use your textbook. Very first question of 4.4 is find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. Means we have to find the nature of the root. Okay, if the real root exists then find them. If we are getting the real root then we have to find it. Okay, so very first question we have what, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So first of all we'll compare it. So I'm writing on comparing bit. We know the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, while comparing we come to know the value of a would be what, 2. A would be 2, value of b would be what, minus 3, and value of c we have to take what, 5. Okay, now we find the discriminant. We know that discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, now I'm putting the values of a, b and c. So b square, instead of b I'll put what, minus 3 square, minus as it is 4, instead of a I'll take what, 2, and instead of c I'll take what, 5. Okay, when I solve it I'll get what, minus 3 square would be plus 9, minus 4 to the 8, and 8 5 the it would be what, 40. Okay, when I subtract 9 from 48 I'll get what, I'll get I have to write here 40. Okay, when I subtract 9 from the 40 I'll get what, minus 30. Here I get value of d negative. So negative means less than equals to 0. So in this case we know that what would be the root, so there would be no real root. So we'll write so hence equation has no real root. Okay, if we find positive value or zero, then in this case we'll have to solve question according to first or second situation. Okay, आंसर क्या है यहाँ नेगेटिव है, तो आपको डायरेक्टली लिखना है इक्वेशन हैज नो रियल रूट और इसको यहीं एंड कर देना है. इज इट क्लियर? And one more thing I have to show you. Okay, so when we solve the equation, like here we got the solution less than 0. Okay, so in this case if we find value negative value, so we don't need to solve the question further. We'll leave the question here only. Okay, we write the hence equation have no real root, and we'll leave this question. If we get the value equals to 0, okay, if we get value equals to 0, so in this case what we have to do, see, in this case we have to find the value of x, and we'll put we'll find the two roots by putting the value of ab here. Okay, so first would value would be minus b upon 2, and second also minus b upon 2a. So we have to put the a value of a and b in case we find बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, अगर सेकंड आता है, इसकी वैल्यू अगर 0 आती है, तो यहाँ हमको फिर से इनको वैल्यू पुट करना है और सॉल्व करना है. इज इट क्लियर? इफ वी फाइंड दैट केस, which one, the first case, two distinct real root. Okay, in this case if we find the positive value, okay, means greater than 0, so in this case we have to solve this sum by using the quadratic formula method. Okay, which we have used in exercise 4.3. okay, so let us see the second question. Okay, so we have the second question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So when I compare this, I'll get value of a would be what, 3, value of b will have what, minus 4 root 3, and value of c will have what, 4. So first I'll find the discriminant. We know that b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b square, instead of b I'll take what, minus 4 root 3 whole square, minus as it is 4, instead of a will take 3, and instead of c will take what, 4. So just see, minus 4 root 3 square means what, minus 4 root 3 into, we can write it like minus 4 root 3. Okay, minus minus become plus, 4 into 4 becomes 16, and root 3 into root 3 become what, 3. So it would become what, 16 into 3, 48. So instead of minus 4 root 3 whole square, I'm going to write 48. Directly I'm going to write 48 minus 4 4 is 16, and 16 3 we know that 48. So 48 minus 48 becomes 0. So here we got the second situation. Which one? This. So in this case we'll have what, 2 equal real root. Okay, so we'll write. So I have written here the equation has 2 equal real root. Okay, so in this question they have asked that if the real root exists, we have to find them. Okay, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या हुआ था कि वैल्यू नेगेटिव थी, तो उस क्वेश्चन को हमने वही छोड़ दिया था. बट यहाँ क्या हुआ कि वैल्यू 0 आ रही है, मीन्स 2 इक्वल रियल रूट होंगे, और 2 इक्वल रियल रूट अभी मैंने बताया था, दीज आर, सो द रूट्स आर, विल फाइंड द रूट्स वुड बी व्हाट, फर्स्ट x equals to roots would be what, b upon 2a, and same thing again, b minus b upon 2a. These are minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. Same, both value would be same. Minus as it is, instead of b I have to put this value what, minus 4 root 3 upon 2a. 2 means instead of a I'll take what, 3. Same thing I'll take here, minus and minus 4 root 3 upon what, 2 into 3. So roots would be what, minus minus plus, and 2 can cut 4 twice. Okay, so finally I'll have what, 2 root 3 upon 3. Same thing here, 2 root 3 upon 3. If I want to solve this, I can solve it further also. Okay, so these are the root. क्लियर है? अगर 0 आ जाएगा तो आपको x a और b की वैल्यू फिर से यहाँ पुट करना है, दो जो रूट्स है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर आपका माइनस आ जाता है तो उस सम को आपको वहीं छोड़ना है. क्लियर? यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट्स थर्ड पार्ट. ओके, that would be depend on the positive value. Okay, when you solve that, you will get the positive value. For finding positive root, you have to you have to follow the quadratic method that we have used in exercise 4.3. ओके, मीन्स वहाँ जो वैल्यू आएगी वो पॉजिटिव आएगी. ये फर्स्ट वाला केस बनेगा बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर देन 0. पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगी तो आपको क्या करना है, रूट फाइंड करना है x इक्वल टू वॉट माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a में. ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है जो कि हमने 4.3 में यूज़ किया था. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. Now we start with second question, and please use your textbook. Okay, the question, second question is find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay, we have to find the value of k, and the situation we have given two equal roots. Okay, whenever the situation is given, okay, which means we have to take equals to 0. Okay, this would be equals to what? 0. Is it clear? Means we when we solve the question we have to take it equals to 0. Means d we have to take 0. Is it clear? Means जब भी ये वर्ड लिखा होगा आपको क्या करना है, d के इक्वल्स टू में 0 लेना है. Okay, d means discriminant. Now see how we'll solve it. So first I'm comparing this equation, so I'll get value of a would be what, 2, value of b I'll have what, k, and value of c would be what, 3. So first I'll find the discriminant. So we know that discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, one more thing, they have given two equal real root, means we have to take equals to 0. Is it clear? इतना सा चेंज आएगा क्वेश्चन में कि टू इक्वल रूट्स अगर क्वेश्चन में रिटर्न है तो आपको इसके इक्वल डी के इक्वल टू में, डी का जो भी फॉर्मूला है डिस्क्रिमिनेंट उसके इक्वल टू में 0 भी लेना है, बिकॉज यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के. ओके, नाउ सी बी स्क्वायर मीन्स व्हाट, के स्क्वायर माइनस as it is 4 as it is, instead of a I'll take 2 and instead of c I'll take what, 3 equals to what, 0. K square, here we have 4 to the 8 is a minus 24 equals to 0. Finding k, I need to shift 24, so k square equals to would be what, minus 20 plus 24. If I remove the square of k, so I have to write 224, and we know that the factors of root 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. Okay, so when I make the pair I'll come to know that one pair can be made of 2. Okay, so 2 would be taken out, so finally value of k would be what, 2 root 4 2 3 is 6. So this is the value of what, k. Is it clear? For one more thing we can write plus minus also. So this is the value of k. Second question you have to solve using same method. Okay, so here we have completed 4th chapter. Some word problems are also in this chapter. Okay, in exercise, so we don't need to solve this according to the revised syllabus of from CBSE. Okay, so here we have completed this chapter number 4. So we don't need to solve any word problem from chapter number 4. So keep this thing in mind. Whatever the word problem we have solved earlier, so you can leave that problems. Okay, you can leave that that sums. So here we have completed chapter number 4. Thank you.